Feeling the heat? These short haircuts are stylish, low maintenance, and made to keep you cool all summer long. Adds movement while keeping hair off the neck. Great for oval or heart-shaped faces and those with fine to medium texture. Chin length cut with soft volume and a slight curve inward. Elegant on round and square faces with straight to slightly wavy hair. Bold, ultra cool, and breathable. Works best for confident personalities and all face shapes, especially with thick hair. Tapered sides with defined curls on top. Ideal for natural curls and oval or diamond-shaped faces. Shoulder-length bob with sleek finish. Perfect for those who want some length but need a fresh, airy cut. Suits long and oval faces. Soft waves give volume while the short length adds comfort. Great for square or heart-shaped faces with wavy texture. Minimalist and powerful. Keeps you cool and confident. Perfect for oval and round faces with bold features. Ultra short bob with a blunt edge. Edgy and fashion-forward. Best on angular jawlines and straight hair. Light, layered look that adds movement. Great for fine hair and round or heart-shaped faces. One side longer for a sharp, stylish contrast. Suits all textures and works well with oval or long face shapes. Rounded bob at ear level with slight layering. Youthful and chic. Great on petite frames and narrow faces. Textured layers with a rocker vibe. Keeps the neck cool while adding volume. Perfect for thick or wavy hair. 13. Side-swept pixie. Soft, angled fringe adds femininity. Great for high foreheads and round or oval faces with fine texture. 14. Rounded bowl cut. Modern bowl with soft, even curve, striking on angular features and straight hair. 15. Faux hawk fade. Short sides with a longer center peak. Adds height and edge. Ideal for bold personalities and round faces. 16. Short Afro cut. Defined coils shaped into a low silhouette. Perfect for textured hair and any face shape. 17. Collarbone-Length Straight Cut. Borderline short, but breezy. Works great for those not ready to go too short. Flatters all face shapes. 18. Stacked bob. Graduated layers at the back for volume. Best on straight or wavy hair and round faces. 19. Short wolf cut. Choppy layers and a messy finish. Trendy and breathable. Ideal for thick or wavy hair and longer face shapes. 20. Messy cropped cut. Light, tousled layers for an undone vibe. Low effort and heat-friendly. Suits square and heart-shaped faces.